How's it going? It's early December here, and probably not the best time to start this kind of project, but doing it anyways. This is the beginning, episode 1, maybe technically 2, of the All Waters Odyssey. The idea with this is to get back into exploration a bit and not just be a fish size queen and going after either big numbers or big fish, and check out a bunch of these little lakes that have been on my list for a long time to fish, and get out after it. I have a list of over 40 lakes. I'm in an area that is pretty blessed with a lot of water, and today we're gonna start on that journey. Cheers. I filmed that intro a little too early because these 3 lakes I was gonna hit are have a little bit more snow than I thought. So I'm rolling solo today and don't want to be in a ditch by myself. We're pulling a Yui. I'm gonna go try another lake that was on the list, a little lower in elevation, and I guess these ones are gonna have to wait till the spring. All right, let's try this again on a little lake lower down in elevation. No snow here, which is great. Already seeing nice little outflow that's looking really fishy. I honestly may have fished this lake before, but I've driven by it 1,000 times, never really given it any real time, so we're gonna try that out today and see how it goes. I fished for a few hours and was about ready to pack up as a few duck hunters had showed up and the lake wasn't quite as serene as it was. I guess that was going to be episode 1 of All Waters Odyssey. Started out without any fish, and just as I was about done, salvation. A beautiful coastal cutthroat trout.